Morning, it's Thursday the 18th of June and back to miserable weather. And now I've got to go off and do a job. Somebody's paid me to go and collect some doors, some antique doors, and deliver them to Newbiggin, I think. I hope, otherwise I'll go to the wrong place. So yeah, come with me. Well, that's a delivery done. What's I'm reversing out here? That's a delivery done, and I've had to come straight up to the vets because we've caught the last stray. Whilst I was away, she managed to go in the trap, so we've caught her, fetched her straight to the vets, and we're getting her neutered as well. So that'll stop them breeding in the garden and stop we're getting loads and loads and loads and loads of strays. So that's a good thing, and she's the mammy of the lot of them, so she's the main one to catch. So that's a bit of good luck for today. Yeah. Now I need to think of somewhere for you and I to go, if anywhere. Next job to do. Parking sensors drop through in here. It's meant to be like this, but it's dropped through like this. And I can't take this bumper off because once you take them off, it breaks all the clips and it won't go back on. Yay! So I'm going to try and get my hand up here somewhere. Awesome. Well, we've just picked up the last stray from the garden from the vets, so she's back at home resting and recuperating from getting neutered, so that's the last one, so no more strays breeding in the garden. And now we're going back down to Durham with Gypsy to go meet a boyfriend again. She looks really interested. Well, that's a deed done for the second time. A scan in about a month's time, and I'll keep you updated with pup dates. As you saw earlier, the weather was really bad, absolutely chucking it down of rain, and there was no chance of getting anywhere. So I'm in the car now, I'm just waiting for Emma. We're going to go and get the kids at McDonald's, and we're going to try and find somewhere to go for a quick walk. I'm not sure if we are, and if we do, this is going to be a pretty short video, so I apologise. Weather's supposed to be a little bit better tomorrow, fingers crossed, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. But also I'll see what happens after this too, because we might get somewhere tonight, but it is 8 o'clock. We've delivered the kids their McDonald's, and we went to go somewhere, and I don't know if you can see it because this camera hides the rain, but you can see it in the window there. Started raining again, so we've came to here. Upstairs is the Thai takeaway. Well, it's a Thai restaurant, but they're doing takeaway at the minute, so we're just waiting for that to be ready, and we're having Thai food. And I think this video is going to be very short today, but we'll see. You can see it started raining again. It's getting heavier, it's getting dark, so we ain't going nowhere tonight apart from home to eat our Thai food. Yum yum. Well folks, sorry it's been a boring video. Probably not even a long video. But this channel is all about life through my eyes, so whatever I'm doing, I take you with me. Obviously couldn't film some things with a dog and things, because, yeah, it's a bit creepy. But yeah, so tune in tomorrow. I'll try and find something better tomorrow. But right now, I'm going to have 10 minutes. That wasn't my bum, by the way, that was my foot. That on the box. I'm going to have 10 minutes on the home gym. Yeah. Alright folks, quick session at the gym, little chest session. Like I say, sorry if it's a short video, sorry if it's been boring, but hey, every day of life's not a party, right? So, rain starting again outside, so that kind of put pay to what we had planned today. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do a job.